Hi and welcome to the channel of Motor Alchemista. In this video, I will be working on this KTM 890 Adventure R from 2021. And what I will be doing is changing the front sprocket cover to a more open version. And I begin with looking at what parts we have. Here the chain guide is separate, whereas the cover has grooves inside that guide the chain. I assemble everything to make sure I have all I need to get the job done before starting. Remove the collar screw and put the shift rod aside. Then remove the 3 sprocket cover screws. Wiggle the cover out, and when mounting the new one, be aware of any spacers. They easily fall out of place. Mount the new cover, and in this case, the longer part of the chain guide goes towards the rear of the bike. 2 Allen keys came along in the package, so I'm using those, assuming not everyone that watches this have their own tool set. Common torque here is 5 Newton or 3.7 pound-feet. But make sure you got your bike's torque specs if you want to be super precise. Place the shift rod in the same position as before. If you're unsure, take a photo before you begin so you have something to look at when you put everything back together. Put some Loctite on the collar screw and tighten it. Torque here, 10 Newton or 7.4 pound-feet, and then make sure that everything moves as it should. That's it. That's all on how to change your front sprocket cover. Now, I hope this video has helped you, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, comment, also subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!